Good morning, guys. Good morning. And I am so glad that you are here with me on today. Well, I just wanted to reach out to let you know that God revealed something to me that I really wanted to share with you that I think that could be really significant. When you begin to change in your life, change is difficult. It makes people uncomfortable. Change makes you uncomfortable. And we're sitting in a time where things have shifted and things have changed. Many of you are longing to really be free to do and be who God has called you to be. And in order for you to continue to walk in your destiny through the progression of your life, you have to understand that you have to surround yourself with high minds. See, when you surround yourself with high-minded people, it is a space and a territory for you to grow even further. You enter into a space of time with people with like-minded ideas. You enter into a space and time where it's like one big learning session, one big classroom. You're constantly being upgraded and you're constantly being fed. Your spiritual man is so full that you're able to go out and just give that to somebody else when you're around high-minded people. That's what happens in your life. You can share your vision and your dreams with a high-minded person and it won't scare them. They won't have anything negative to say about it. Because the mind is on another whole realm of frequency, understanding, spirituality, philosophy, and all the great things. It's a different whole mindset. See, the problem is that your mind has shifted, but you continue to dwell and deal with low-minded thinkers. See, low-minded thinkers are threatened by your vision. Low-minded thinkers are advocates, in most cases, for the devil. I don't think that it's something voluntary that they do because they haven't gotten the awakening yet and don't even know that from a spiritual place that they're being used. They're being used to control you, to make you feel guilty for learning more and evolving to the person that God created you to be. They judge you harshly. They pick you apart. They use things to confuse your mind. See, that's what happens when you deal with low-minded people. Low-minded people are always in competition to be seen. Low-minded people are always in drama, confusion, and mess. Low-minded people are constantly concerned about what they can get out of you versus what they can deposit in a good sense in you. Low-minded people are big advocates for gossiping and backbiting and lying and cheating and stealing. Low-minded people say that they're for God. They fill the pews every Sunday in churches, making it to where people who really need to be there don't want to go because the low-mindedness has spread it like an epidemic, like a cancer in the environment. So people are coming outside of the environment to get closer to God. What a shame. See, the low-mindedness has to be put completely out with the light of God. But in order for you to continue to grow and evolve and get to where you are intended to be placed, you have to understand that you have to let low minds go. You cannot continue to feed yourself spiritually and go sit in a low-minded environment. See, it's hard sometimes because we have been so programmed to just hang on in there. But it's a time where it's the hanging in there, you've done your time. The lesson that you needed to learn from that environment has been learned. It's time for you to understand that the upgrade has occurred, but you continue to live in a downgraded version of what your life is supposed to be. So then you become frustrated. You feel bad. You feel guilty because you're surrounding yourself with low minds. I just wanted to reach out and to remind you that where God is taking you and what he's doing through you is going to take you being in the company of like-minded people. And if there's nobody there physically for you to vibe with, then spiritually in your mind, God is always there. And when we can lose our form, our image in the stillness of God, when we can feel what we know that he told us is real in our heart and in the mind and our imagination. He uses the highness, the highest version of our mind and the faith that we have. He uses that substance of your faith to clothe your new tribe, your new opportunities, your newness in everything that you choose to deal with. But in order for you to get where you have to go, so you're not frustrated, angry, mad, upset, you have to understand, baby, that you have to let the low minds go. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I believe in you. Bye now.